EasyRFID is a subscription-based service providing software and hardware for fast and efficient logistics operations control. This video shows how carefree running your laundry business can be with EasyRFID. This is a generic laundry RFID tag. In RFID solutions, we make such tags secure by assigning a unique ID number to each and every one, making them ready for sewing. The sewing facility most often sews tags into towels, bed sheets, and bathrobes. However, tags can be sewn into any type of cloth item. After the sewing process, every single item has its unique tag with durability warranty for 300 washing cycles. Sewing facility can now send all items to the laundry. Every new tag must get registered in the EasyRFID database to become operational. Registration process is quick and easy thanks to the handheld RFID scanner. Select item type and aim a scanner in the direction of items. New items will appear instantly in the database after confirmation. After registration, they're ready to be managed in EasyRFID. Let's transfer them to the clean warehouse for now. Order preparation is just as simple. Gather all items in hotels' respective containers as usual. Select a destination hotel and scan all items in the container by aiming in its direction with a scanner. After order verification, items will get assigned to select hotels and are ready for delivery. A courier visits any number of designated places delivering clean laundry. A hotel confirms the order report received from a courier and returns any amount of dirty laundry. With EasyRFID, you can accurately bill clients for the dirty laundry by logging them in the system. To log all delivered dirty laundry, use multi-warehouse transfer. Select the destination warehouse and scan all items in one go. You'll get detailed info on quantity, type, and where each item came from in the generated report. After confirmation, every item will be transferred to the selected warehouse. Laundry dirty in this case. Remember to physically move items to the place they got assigned in the system. That was a very basic EasyRFID functionality overview. The software is customizable and available in multiple language versions. Contact RFID Solutions for all details and offers.